Did you know creating a solid sleep routine for your child can improve their mental health? What may be unknown is the amount of sleep children should get, how sleep can affect the child's overall well-being, and what parents can do to improve their child's sleep patterns. Katherine Evans, Program Director for Youth Partial Care in Cape May, New Jersey, is here to discuss all concerns for children to get enough sleep and maintain a healthy lifestyle. To learn more about mental health and sleep, visit ascendahealth.org.
I work with children between the ages of 8 and 17. So depending on their age, depends on how much sleep they need to get, also how active they are. But just like adults, it's important to get your full night's rest in order to be functioning properly in the morning, to get up on time, to avoid, some of the crankiness in the morning. But it keeps your body healthy, keeps your mind healthy. So sleep in general is important. Kids with developing brains need to make sure that they're rested so that they can learn. So it's just as important as adults getting as much sleep as they need. The youth that I work with are coming in with some mental health concerns, some behavior concerns, and part of that can be impacted by sleep. So if you're already experiencing some anxiety or depression or impulse control concerns, then when you compound that with a lack of sleep, it can just exacerbate the symptoms. So you're more cranky, you're irritable, your ability to make decisions is impacted. So it definitely impacts the way the kids can function. They have less tolerance for noises, for any kind of overstimulated feeling. So it's a both and. So the kids they come in with the mental health concerns, but even someone who doesn't have an already diagnosed concern can be impacted by the lack of sleep. Everybody knows how cranky you could feel if you're not getting your full night's sleep. So it definitely increases anxiety and impacts depression and decision making. We often recommend that there is a time limit on electronic devices or television watching, to pick some calming bedtime routines, just to stick to a schedule at certain times. You take your shower, you relax, you read, you may need some noise machine or low lights, things like that help you to relax before you're ready to fall asleep. So starting early in the evening with your relaxation. If you've had a baby or you know of people who have babies, it's very important to keep them on a schedule. And part of that is a nighttime routine, including some of those things like bath and relaxation time and stories. Just like anything, in moderation, it can be helpful as part of the nighttime routine to have lavender essential oils, mists, things like that. Melatonin is a natural supplement. However, long-term use, it could interrupt your body's own ability to make those sleep hormones. So while they're not addictive, you can become a bit dependent on things such as, melatonin. I don't believe that lavender and having, an essential oil routine is going to impact your brain's functioning. But when you take oral supplements, they definitely do increase your body's need for a supplement to fall asleep.